Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log out a Google Classroom account. So if you regularly use this app, a Google account, maybe you're a student or maybe you're a teacher, and you can join class here or you can create class here, and also there are some feature like calendar. You can directly adjust or directly create event on certain dates, and of course a sorry let's get back. If you tap three stripe at the top of your screen here, there are some feature like offline files, archive classes, classroom folder, and this is the settings. So in these settings there are no option to log out your account. Like there are only some like Google feedback, account setting, you can update your photo, password, language, and more. And directly you jump into your a Gmail account and change name. You can change your name, notification, choose which one you get on this device by email, and theme default like light or dark. And here again there is no way you can try log out your Google Classroom in app. So in order to log out, you need to tap on Classroom icon and tap on application info. Here you can tap on storage usage and clear the data. So here if you clear the data, all the data from Google's Classroom will be wiped, and you need to re-log in into this app. So again, in order to like log out from Google Classroom, you cannot log out from or in app. So all you have to do is just tap application info and then tap storage usage and clear the data from here. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases, and other app data. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.